In this video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll look at their features, capacities, and prices to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in! The Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers a capacity of 0.9 cu fort, making it suitable for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of only 10 liters, which is significantly smaller. This difference in capacity can impact your laundry efficiency, especially if you have larger items to wash. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is equipped with 5 wash cycles and advanced features such as auto unbalance detection and a transparent lid for monitoring. On the other hand, the Portable Washing Machine offers 3 basic wash modes and lacks some of the advanced functionalities. This makes the Comfee a more versatile option for various laundry needs. When it comes to price, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, which reflects its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine is much more affordable at $99, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washing solution without the extra features. In conclusion, choosing between the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize capacity and features, the Comfee is the better choice. However, if you need a more portable and budget-friendly option, the Portable Washing Machine may be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.